fans na nandiyan sa partido at talagang naniniwala kay Doc Ren Paragas at sa ating konsepto ng tubig at mga mineral. Iniimbitahan ko na po kayo in advance para sa August 5 na discussion po ng ating ICMD. Yan po ay informative and comprehensive medical discussions po on hypercholesterol.
Hindi ko kaya. Sa hanggang ngayon,
pag nagkikita kayo ng Kylie dun sa All-Star, nagbabatian kayo?
Actually po halos hindi kami nagkikita. Kasi iba rin po yung production number namin. Tapos recently, nung bagong balik siya, hindi rin kami.
Bahagi ng Metro Manila, Tagaytay, Laguna, Batangas, Cavite, Antipolo, Rizal, Taytay at Marilao sa Bulacan. Sa panayam ng DZMM, ipinaliwanag ni Department of Energy Secretary Jerry Copitilla na magkukulang ang 1,200 megawatts ng supply.
The NCAA, where heroes are born and legends emerge.
At dyan nagtatapos ang napakasayang kick-off party ng NCAA Season 9. Magkita-kita po tayong lahat sa opisyal na pagbubukas ng NCAA Season 90 on June 20.
This is the finals. Germany versus Argentina, July 14, Monday, 3 a.m. live. Replay at 3:30 p.m. Catch the licensed broadcast of the 2014 FIFA World Cup Brazil on ABS-CBN Sports in Action. Play hard this Sunday.
You must know that. The doctor who diagnosed you would have said what will happen if you don't get treatment.
Just tell them. If you know what's wrong with you, tell them so they can fix it.
How many projects have we done together? You're always so worried. Have you ever got...
Ayan ang presidente ng Green Biosolar Energy International at ang technical staff nito. Sa iba pang mga balita, isang legislador sa Lucena City ipinanukala ang mga solar-powered